Welcome back to a new video, and today I bring a new video for you. And I know everybody want to see this because we're gonna talking about different things. So the first thing we're gonna cover is gonna cover about how many hours I working, and the second thing, and how much I earn, and the third thing we're gonna talk how much I spend in gas and what is left. So like I told you, I'm gonna show you how much money I make for one single day, and I'm gonna tell you how much it left. As you can see in the title, how much I make, and you're gonna find out at the end of the video how much money I bring home with me. So, if you're new to the channel, my name is Luke, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a video, you'll get notified. So, let's dive into the video. So guys, as you can see on the screen, and I make 268 dollars in one single day. So, and and the hours that I'm working is 7 hours, and I don't know if you can see it. So I is on the screen. I work 7 hours 19 minutes. I only make 18 trips. So in 18 trips, I get 268 dollars. And when you're going down, my net fare is $105. And promotion, I make $86. And the tip, I get $75. I bring a total $268 in one day. So those things you don't have to worry about it, because I'm gonna come with a new video where I will bring everything down for you so you can have a better understanding or this work, or you can where the most money come, or you get this promotion or net for work or tip. I'm gonna come with a new video. You don't have to worry about this. But so the second thing I want to show you and how much I earn per hour. So in $268, I only work 7 hours. If you take $268 divided by 7, it's gonna come with like $38 with change. But you can see I make $38 an hour. This is crazy. I know some of you don't make that money. Probably some of you made half of it an hour working for a job you probably don't even like. So I make $38 an hour. This is crazy, and I never make that money before. Working anywhere else, I have to ever make that money. And I able to make it where that's crazy, and that's why I say I really love the job, because you drive your own car. And well, I want to talk about how much money I spend in gas. So that is my third step. So how much money I spend on gas. I only When you look at the gas, and a day like that, if I make $268, I only drive like six. I only spend like 6 gallon of gas. So that's, if you take 15 divided by 2.30, I mean 15 divided by 2 point like 227, because I use plus. I use plus, but I don't actually use the same guys. That's depend. When you bought your car, they tell you this is type of guys they have been using, and if you buy brand new, you know what guys you're gonna put on it. But at the end, I buy my car from a third party, so you know, and I buy from the dealer. So, and from used car dealer or used car. So, and I get this car. So, and I only put plus in it because I think it's better for the car. It keep you warning, because you know I drive a lot and I want this car in good condition. So I only put plus on it. So I think it's better for the car. You know, F. So, and the last thing, I know everybody want to know this. So after all the expensive, you see, I spent 15 That's not that much, but I take break too, so we don't talk about this. I take some break. I go and I don't think about food. So this is it. So I only spend $15 in gas. So if I didn't have time to go home, if I don't have time to go home to eat, so I can only spend like $20. $20 when I'm outside. If I don't go home, but working 7 hours, I go home. I don't want to include the $20 because I only keep $20 to spend in a day. So even though you take the $20 and you say 268 and minus 15, that's $252. And if I minus by $20, so I should eat, that's mean I able to bring home with me $233 in one single day. And I don't spend $20 every day. That's why I don't want to include it in how much money I spend in one day, because I'm able to go home and eat. So I only spend $15 in gas, and that's it for one day. And like I say, if you take 15 minus 68, so you have $253 left. That's a great amount. So I don't know about you. If you want to start doing overeats, you can always try. I never tell people to quit your job, because is based off the money you make and when you try. So if you can always give it a try, because I got a link below. You can go sign up, and when you which that depend of the area. Let me make this clear. That depend of the area. You can earn like $100 to $200, even less than that, because when you are accomplish certain call trips, if you sign up today, it told you, oh, if you complete like 30 trips, I will give you $200, or I will give you less than that. That depends on the area you are. You can go ahead sign up, and you can get this money, because they're gonna give you the bonus of top of the money you make. Think about it. If you make $200 in a day, and they give you $200 bonus because you sign up and you start delivery, or you accomplish your 30 trips goal. So that's mean you're able to make $400 in one single day. So I leave my link below in the description, so you can go ahead and sign up. If you have any question, you feel free to go to the section comment below and leave your comment. So leave your question, so I will be answer all your question. And don't if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and tell me where, if you are Uber driver already, tell me where you're watching this video. Go ahead, do it. So, and I love you guys, and this is my goal. My goal is able to make $200. When I come back, I want to make sure my next video I'm gonna show you I able to make $200 in a day. And I know it's gonna be a little bit tough, but I guess I will able to do it. So if you know I can do it, tell me in the comment you can do it. And I hope you're waiting for this video, because I'm gonna able to drop this video. I don't know if it's this week or next week, because I don't know. So when I make the $200, I'm gonna show you, or I make the $200. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel again, and because I'm gonna bring some great tips for you, can help you maximize your earning and able to earn more and more and more.